Hi, this is Gina with Poppie Cotton. Welcome to our month 7 of our sew along called All Things Beautiful. I've appliqued all of these. We're going to be doing all the posts this month and all of the sashing. And these I have hand needle turn all of these fun little leaves together. All you're doing is doing the leaf and then centering them. Make sure that you leave a 1/4 inch on all your edges so that you can sew these together and have them touching those edges. But they're super fun. They go by pretty quickly. It's a great project to have in the car and when you're traveling. Just really fun. I've enjoyed making them. These are the sashing pieces. Now you want to make sure, according to the instructions, you've got each of the same colorway. So in the yellows, you'll do 6 of these. Now make sure you've got your small piece on either end, you've got your colors, and then the 2 larger pieces are in the middle. That makes the sashing. So you'll make 6 of these. You will make 5 of the blues. You'll notice these are all of our Poppie's basics, and so they're all the blue tones. There's no rhyme or reason to them. Just make sure that you're using 3 different blue colors. Now in the reds and the oranges, there are 5. In the pinks, there are 7, and I mean 7 sets of these. And then in the purples, you have 5. And then in the greens, which is the last one, there's 4 sets of these. So this is a total of 29 sashing pieces. And on these posts, you'll make 25. We hope you'll join us for the final assembly of all of the blocks and the sashing pieces on month 8. Thanks for joining.